have a damaged airbag. Let me show you. And I'm at the shop. So, look how beauty that is. That's a normal one, and that's a blowed one. And the leveling valve, I had to cancel the airflow, the air that goes through airbags to be able to drive here. That's the leveling valve. That arm was on top of there, where that screw is, and I unscrew that, and I had to put the arm, that one, downward, because that cancels the air that goes to the airbags to be able to have some brakes and to move the truck. So lucky me, yeah?